Alright guys, you can see that I'm wearing a mask just for circumstances right now. I gotta wear a mask in public areas in Vietnam. So bear with me, I don't know how the audio is gonna be. But yes, I am again with Nguyen today.
Xin chào, we're in Phu Quoc market right now because we are planning to go to the jungle. I know we are very competent underwater. But
you're more.
But I don't think we'll be able to get like anything decent size to eat in the jungle, so that's why we are going hunting right now. Dustin, show them the hunting ground.
Yeah, so this is our hunting ground. So we're going to be hunting in a very modern, urbanized area. So we're at an outside market right now in Phu Quoc. So I'll show you guys. Ooh, that's a big fish. Oh, wow, what is that? It's a what?
Dusk fish.
Dusk.
It's a parrot fish.
It's a beautiful fish.
Oh yeah. And it's fresh, it's even more beautiful.
Do you want to do a head?
The head?
Yeah, we'll do pig head.
Yeah.
I like face. So noisy. Do you like facial meat? Do you like meat? Pig head?
Yeah.
I love head meat.
So we gonna fry it or like
We'd boil it.
Barbecue it?
No, barbecue may be too hard. How I've cooked it before, we'd boil it.
And eat with what?
What we can use with the salt, chili, and lime. Because the head meat, it's just easier to boil, so we need a big pan. I love head meat. So head meat is good. I love head meat.
Big head, or you want like half of this pork belly also? The big one big head and half pork belly.
So we can do a head and we can do the belly.
Half of the pork belly.
Okay. We don't need too much. We need like two of these. Maybe just these two right here.
Just like here?
1 and 2 and then the head.
What do you mean 1 and 2?
This whole piece and this whole piece.
This whole piece?
Is that enough, or
It's
you want
too much. I'm thinking like just half of it.
half of that? That's
the
fine.
head.
Okay.
Or like, you want this whole thing? Maybe too much.
Okay, so we do half and then the head.
Well, we can cook the whole thing.
All right, we're gonna get half a pig's head and some pork belly or pig belly, whatever. It's good though. I'm really excited. I love head meat. But I'm sad there's no brains. We just get the eyes and the facial meat, but no tongue, no brains. Boom. What? But yeah, we're just gonna buy a few more ingredients, you guys, and then from there we are going to head to the jungle. Look how colorful this is. I love the colors. Alright guys, we got everything we need. We're head back to the house and then we're gonna get ready for the jungle. Alright. We're gonna get started. You guys like this Jeep?
An old military vintage Jeep from the 70s. These are the leftovers when the Americans left Vietnam. They take this bad boy to the jungle. Let's see what happens. Dustin is gonna be a chef today, so
whoa! I thought you're gonna.
He's gonna be the chef today.
I thought you're gonna cook.
I don't know, Dustin. He said he's a very good chef. He cooked.
I didn't. I never said I was a very good chef. I do know how to cook heads pretty well. I love head meat, but just boiling it.
Yeah.
You guys are probably wondering where SØC is, and no, this is not SØC's replacement. She's back at home. But we're gonna get started. Let's hop in the Jeep. We got our location. We're gonna clean things up and we're gonna start cooking. Ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, back down, Tully. All right, let's do it. Alright, we're going to start cooking the head first because there's quite a bit of ants, so we don't really want ants in our food. Just a little bit extra protein. Are you okay with ants?
I'm okay with ants.
Okay, so we're both okay with a little bit of ants. We're gonna start cooking the head first. I'll be chopping up some of the ingredients and getting things ready. But yeah, we need to get the head boiling first because it's gonna probably take the longest, and then we want to minimize ants. Right, since I'm trying to be super sanitary, I'm not just gonna use my pliers right here. I'll grab it by a tooth. Just kidding. Here's the head. The head's a little too big, but for right now, it'll do. So this is our makeshift, I don't even know what you call it. So we put the stick on the vine, got the head in there boiling, and then we put the stick on the rock. Eventually, yeah, I know it'll probably heat and it's gonna break and then it's gonna fall down, but we'll just try it. All right, while the head's cooking, I got my handy little knife. I'm gonna be chopping up the garlic and doing all that good stuff because, you know, it's really difficult and I take the difficult job. So Nguyen is just watching the fire right now.
That's not a knife, Dustin. That is a knife.
I like my little knife. It'll do the job.
You know what they say about people with very big knives and very big guns and very big pickup trucks in America?
Like super masculine, confident, like top of the food chain, alpha.
I think you are being very nice, but usually they say that I might be overcompensating for something.
Overcompensating.
Overcompensate. Are you?
I'm confident with my little knife here, so.
Yeah, like he's implying something.
I'm not saying anything, but let's get chopping.
You see all the ants? This is like a secret ingredient, like in the jungle that we're gonna make.
Keep the ants away?
Yeah, no, we're gonna marinate the ants in as well, like get the ant juice going. It's It's like pork chops marinated with some ant juice and like ant tears and just ant. We're gonna eat the ants too. I don't care at this point anymore because when you come to my food, you become my food, you know?
Of course, and ants, they just add like a little pop to the food too,
oh,
so it's good.
I love the acid, you know, they are like a bit sour.
Yeah.
So we don't even need like, oh yeah, Vietnamese food. There ain't no Vietnamese food without lime, none, son. Got some salt going. This is like 100% sea salt, not table salt at all. This is just made in Vũng Tàu.
Really?
Yeah.
Made in Vũng Tàu.
Made in Vũng Tàu.
We got some local salt harvested from Vũng Tàu.
None of that. None of that crap you eat. It's table salt.
And if you guys are wondering, yeah, we already washed things very thoroughly. I would say like at least 10 to 15 times we washed the meat. We made sure everything is 100% sterile. But Nguyen bought me a special tonic Vietnamese drink. What is this?
It's called rau má đậu xanh.
Nói chăm chăm.
It's called rau má đậu xanh.
Rau má đậu
xanh.
Xanh.
Rau má đậu xanh.
Rau má đậu.
Rau má. Rau vegetable.
Yeah,
rau má đậu xanh. Rau má is pennywort and đậu xanh is green bean.
Okay. Rau má đậu
xanh.
Xanh.
Yeah.
Tiếng Việt có ăn được không?
Được.
Được. Okay. Yeah, cảm ơn. It's not really much of a smell, but the fire's behind me, so everything kind of smells like smoke. That's nice. It's a bit creamy because you said there's a bean in it, right? So you got some creamy flavor to it. Oh, the fire! Give me a second. Ah. All right, it's better. Yeah, it's good. It's refreshing.
Oh yeah.
I don't like to savor things. I like to drink it and eat really fast. I got my fruits and vegetables for the day. I guess the advantage of having a big knife.
All right, show us how you do it, Dustin.
Well, I feel inadequate right now. You're showing me up on my own YouTube channel, so I would just use my hands. You know, I got hands of steel.
Yeah, look at his arm, guys. It's like there's no comparison. Even though like I do get like a bit of.
But you're more vascular.
I'm more sinewy, but like
look,
it's way bigger. Look. I'm just.
But dude, you got the vascularity. You're lean.
I'm lean.
Cause I can't show you the other side.
Oh, lean meat.
And you got darker skin, so you can see it a lot better. My skin's quite white underneath.
Oh yeah.
It's a guy thing. Most of my audience is male, but if you're a woman, you probably don't understand that. But yeah.
This is the magic spice we forgot last time we were cooking mussel, but not this time.
What was it?
Lemongrass.
He forgot the magical ingredient, lemongrass.
This lemongrass, guys. This is the most ubiquitous spice in all of Vietnamese food. You need this if you want to cook proper Vietnamese food, especially seafood. It goes so well with everything.
Oh. And you missed it! Oh! You get one take of this and you missed. So we got the legendary lemongrass for the Vietnamese cuisine. So I need to flip the pork. I'm using my pliers right here. Nguyen is gonna make chopsticks. We're gonna see what works better. My pliers that are a little bit rusty from the ocean, or chopsticks. Ow! Aya! Ooh! There, boy! That is beautiful! That is so nice looking. Look at that. Nguyen, my pliers work phenomenally.
Oh yeah?
You can still make chopsticks, that's fine. But
I'm Asian.
I know you're Asian. You could say there's a part of me that's Asian too, but the pliers work really well.
You remember the scene from Kill Bill?
From Kill Bill?
Yeah.
Which scene is that?
Where the girl wants to eat with her hand instead of chopsticks.
No, I don't remember that scene, to be honest. Is it Kill Bill 1?
It's Kill Bill 2, I think.
Okay, Kill Bill 2. Yeah, I don't know that scene. But okay, he's gonna make his chopsticks. Smoke. Okay, back to cooking.
See, Dustin, we are in civilization. The only way to properly eat food like a civilized person is to use chopsticks.
Dude, I'm like the most civilized person ever.
We are in civilization, guys. Look at us.
I'm quite civilized. I do things quite cleanly. I follow the standard like Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, like their guidelines. I do everything pretty much, I think appropriately.
Oh yeah?
No.
So far.
No. Look at the meat that's still cooking up. Alright.
So the garlic it was all Dustin's work.
So you guys, food safety. We just washed the banana leaves. Can't even smell. Actually, you can a little bit. You can still smell a little bit of what is it? Curry?
No, it's the yellow mixture.
Yeah, what is that?
It's curcumin and
Cumin.
Not curcumin.
Curcumin.
Yes, like nghệ.
Yeah, я комби.
Curcumin.
It's okay. It's okay. I can still smell it a little bit, but dude, you guys, I'm quite clean with how I do stuff. I'm trying to improve my cooking. All right, guys, it's the moment of truth. It's time to eat. Yeah, dude, it looks good. So the pork is looking phenomenal, crisp, not overly burnt, and the pig head, it looks like a pig head. But the longer you boil it, so the meat just falls off, it's better. But it should be okay. All right, so this is lunch.
All right, guys, this is job for proper knife.
It sounds orgasmic. That's how good it is, you guys. It's orgasmic meat.
Look at the juice coming out of it.
All right, guys. First one, pork belly, cooked
in nước mắm.
in nước mắm with a little bit of chili. All right, yo.
Yo.
Yeah. That's good.
Oh yeah, that's it.
I don't know what the deal is, but it's every time like you're cooking outside, it always tastes better. All right, this meat right here, the cheek of the pig, is gonna be the best. Oh, now moi. I need to wait for the head to cool down. It's way too hot right now. Ah, another piece. So good. Dude, this is so good. If you guys haven't seen already, I've done 2 other videos so far with Nguyen. We collected clams and we went spearfishing. Nguyen's based in Phu Quoc and he has his own touring company for spearfishing and jungle tours. If you guys are interested, all his information is in the description box below. He speaks Tiếng Viet, fluent, obviously, because you're Vietnamese, and he's very fluent in English, so 2 languages here. Ooh, so check it out. But we're gonna eat some more food. We need to try the head though. The head's too hot. But I don't wanna wait. I'm gonna use the pliers.
All right, so here we have Dustin in his natural habitat. Let's observe what he's doing. Like, he's found a tool. That's great. All right, looks like he's like chopping up some meat to eat.
Because the cheek is the best part. For you guys, if you're wondering where I've had meat, like heads before, I've had a lot of goat and sheep heads. That was right when I was around 20 years old.
In Mongolia.
Yeah, in Mongolia. I've mentioned before in some of my videos the Mongolian countryside. So I was living with a family out there in one of their gurs. And I ate a lot of heads, and it's hot though. Oh, damn, so excited. Dude, do you want to try it first?
No, you try it first.
Okay.
I'm just observing you, like doing some commentary, like on BBC.
Yeah, I got you. Look at this.
Uh,
Can I dip it in the oil? Are you cool with that if I put it in the oil?
Yeah, you can dip it into anything, man.
Alright, I'll do it first, it's natural. Look,
Look at these.
the meat's so soft on the face. But, look, Mom.
Yeah.
Oh. It's so good.
Yeah.
I'm sorry because I ate the whole cheek.
You ate the whole cheek.
I ate the whole cheek. Sorry, man.
Yeah,
Xin lỗi.
he's a very greedy person.
I wasn't thinking.
Because he's hungry and he's driven purely by instinct.
Here, Nguyen, you try this one. So this is a nice fatty piece of pork face. I don't know if you like it so much.
Love me some fat.
It's good though, right?
Yeah, it's really good.
See, not bad. Dude, you guys need to try the head meat. There's the eyeball. I think there's an eyeball. I'll get the eyeball out for you guys. I'll eat the eyeball right now.
You want to drink the broth later, Dustin?
Yeah, we can drink the broth later.
Mix it in with salt.
All right, now we have a nice soup. All right, I'm gonna get the eye, but I'm gonna have a little bit of pork belly first. Okay. Oh, that's the eyelid. It still has its hair. So again, now I'm what? So this is the eye, you guys. You can see the eyelash. So, Mom. It's good. This eye actually has a lot of meat because I dug the knife deeper into it. But, wait for it. There we go. I got it. Because when you eat the eye, it's sometimes they do pop, but it's the pupil, the black part of the eye. It tastes like it's like a firm egg, but I like it though. It's good. But I want to get some of the. Ooh, here. This meat's gonna be good. This one's for you, Nguyen. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Because again, the longer you cook it, the easier it is for the meat. So Nguyen, you try this piece. But it's good though, right? Are you surprised?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good. It's great. It's chewy.
Chewy?
Really, I like chewy food. Can you hear the crunchiness? Can you hear the crunchiness? I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it's really crunchy.
I can hear it. Alright guys, I've gotten most of the meat. I'm going to continue picking at the pig's head because I'm almost got most of it. There's still like a few pieces, like a couple holes here and there. So if you guys made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe to the channel because that's really helpful and it helped me make more videos if you like what I'm doing. For you guys, we're going to continue eating because we just have a little bit more food left. Make sure to have a great day, you guys. Take care and NÄU Nảo bệnh.